In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GB WhatsApp update problem. If you're experiencing issues with updating GB WhatsApp, don't worry. Here are some steps you can take to resolve update problems. First thing that you can do is to clear cache and data. Go to your device settings, navigate to apps and applications. Locate and tap on GB WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. Within the GB WhatsApp settings, select storage and then choose clear cache and clear data. Confirm your selection and restart your device. Now launch GB WhatsApp again and check if the problem has been resolved. Second thing that you can do is to check for the latest version. Visit credible websites to find the latest version of GB WhatsApp. If an update version is available, install it to fix any issues. The third thing that you can do is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve minor issues. Try restarting your phone and then updating GB WhatsApp. Fourth and last thing that you can do would be to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes network-related issues can cause update problems. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better than the other for updating GB WhatsApp. Remember to follow these steps carefully and hopefully your GB WhatsApp update issue will be resolved. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.